हामी ब्रुसेलको Dinosaurs Still Alive exhibition गएका थियौं. It was just me, my wife and our little explorer, Jayina. That time, Jayina was not even born. But this memory with Jayina still feels so alive.
Dinosaur घुममा जान लाओ अनि हामी डाइनोसरको चढ्थ्यौं अनि चल्नी खेल्ने कुरा नि थियो डाइनोसरको.
Jayina still feels so alive. As soon as we enter the mahal में फरक थियो. Imagine walking into a place where dinosaurs look too real. They move, they roar, and they stare at you. And guess what? Dino was not scared at all. Actually, हामीले उसलाई भनेका थियौं, Jayina, don't run, don't touch the dinosaurs and hold our hand, okay? तर उसले सुन्नै मानेन. She ran straight inside like she was on a mission. Eggs hose, teeth hose, even the giant T-Rex. Jayina was touching everything, like seriously. She was doing hand-on science experiment. Her mom kept saying, Jayina, please come back. Add some out, don't touch it. And I was right behind her like, Jayina, you can walk around, it's a dinosaur's jungle. But in her eyes, the door locked to Tangana. It was magic. Everything was real for her. She whispered to me, Papa, you want to have No, dinosaur fun fact. By the way, did you know T-Rex का आकार टेनिस बॉल जत्रा होते and bite force still 12,000 pounds. But Jayina, she just wanted to shake hand with him. Watching her so excited, so curious, made us forget all the rules. At that moment, हामीलाई थाहा थियो, this is not just a visit, यो त याद बन्दैछ. Today, when we look back, that day feels even more special because it was the last big trip before Jayina come into our lives. Yes. One day, I'm फेरि जानेछौँ, this time with Jayina too. And we'll let him chase his own dinosaurs just like his sister did.
Hello. Cancha. मेरो त्यो फ्ल्यास बलिरहेको छ क्या फ्ल्यास लाइट त्यो कस्तो उज्यालो आएको खै त यो त चल्दैन Jayina, no.
By the way, तपाईहरुलाई एकदम इन्ट्रेस्टिङ कुरा सुनाउँछु. Most visitors have no idea, but these dinosaurs are actually world travelers. यो T-Rex, जसलाई हामीले ब्रुसेलमा देख्यौं, it was also in Barcelona, Paraguay, and even Vienna exhibition. Oh, उनीहरू पनि फुल युरोप टुरमा छन् आफ्नो फ्यान बेस बनाउन. And here is another crazy fact. The dinosaur sound तपाईँले भर्खर सुन्नुभयो यहाँ. They are not just made of sound. They are actually made using real animal roar. Elephant growls, even vacuum cleaner sound. Oh, vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleanerले डाइनोसोर्सको डरलाग्दो साउन्ड बनाउन सकिन्छ भने लाइफमा पोसिबिलिटिज इनलेस छन् है. Your whole exhibition is actually quite eco-friendly. Some of these dinosaurs are made using 3D printing technology with recycled plastic. Science plus imagination and sustainability. Perfect combo. And the most real part, dinosaurs don't move automatically. There are real human technicians behind the scene, sitting inside booth or using remotes, controlling their eyes, breath and roar timing. So technology, your dinosaurs, पनि live performance नै हो.
Jayina. Jayina.
Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this special moment from our family. If you loved it, please like, share and subscribe for more adventure with Jayina and Jaybin. धेरै माया and we all see you in next vlog. Thank you.